Diarrhea is a common condition in which a person passes loose, watery stools more frequently than usual. It is often caused by viral or bacterial infections, contaminated food or water, food intolerance, certain medications, or digestive disorders. Symptoms may include frequent bowel movements, abdominal cramps, bloating, nausea, and sometimes fever. The greatest concern with diarrhea is dehydration, which occurs when the body loses too much water and essential salts. Most cases are mild and improve within a few days. Treatment focuses on replacing lost fluids by drinking plenty of water, soups, and Oral Rehydration Solution, ORS, while eating light foods such as rice, bananas, toast, and crackers. Good hand hygiene and safe food practices can help prevent diarrhea.